In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email subscription feature to your Google Sites in 2025. This process is straightforward and perfect for those looking to engage their audience more effectively by allowing visitors to sign up for your email updates effortlessly. Let's get started on enhancing your site with this valuable feature. First, you will need to navigate to My Elf site, where you'll manage your widgets for this tutorial. Once there, proceed to click on the Catalog section. This area is your go-to place for finding a variety of widgets that Elfsight offers, making it an essential stop for setting up your email subscription. In the search bar, type subs to quickly narrow down your options. Press enter, and from the results select the subscription form. This widget will be your key tool for integrating an easy to use email subscription option on your site. Next, you'll find yourself selecting a template. Take your time reviewing the available templates. Choose one that fits your website's aesthetic and functionality needs. Once you've made your selection, opt to continue with this template. This choice ensures that your subscription form will have the initial design and settings of your chosen template, but remember, you can always modify them later to better suit your preferences. As you prepare to customize your form, you have the opportunity to add fields. This step can help you tailor your subscription form to collect the specific information you need from your subscribers. Once you're satisfied with the fields, make sure to click on the email button to set up and confirm your notification preferences. You can easily edit the Notify Me option to ensure you're alerted to new subscriptions. After completing your modifications, the next step is to click on Publish. You'll be prompted to select a plan, and if you choose the free option, make sure to click Select. This choice allows you to utilize the widget without additional costs, which is handy if you're working within a budget. Now click on Copy Code. It's time to integrate this on your Google site. Head over to your Google site and find the area where you want to insert your subscription form. Click on Embed, a crucial step for ensuring that your new form displays correctly on your page. In the following dialog, opt to embed code and simply paste the code you previously copied. Once pasted, click on Next to proceed. At this stage, you can preview how the subscription form will appear on your site. If satisfied, finalize by clicking Insert. This action confirms the integration, enabling your visitors to start subscribing immediately. And there you have it. You've successfully added an email subscription form to your Google Sites, creating a seamless way for users to stay connected to your content. With these simple steps, you can now maintain and grow your audience more effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy site building.